What should we be thinking about as we move forward as lawmakers relative to a changed economy because of the pandemic and the economic disruption?
In the meantime, I think the focus should be getting through this critical phase. As policymakers, what help does the economy need to transit this critical phase and really get going again? That's what we're thinking about. I think longer term, these are interesting questions. It does seem very likely that people have learned that for certain jobs, you can do them anywhere. I guess we kind of knew that, but now we really know it. And so what's going to happen with people in a whole lot of industries who can really do their jobs from home if they want to, or from a particular place of work, or from another state? The technology has really moved to a place where you can do amazing things that we didn't have to do before. This conference call is not something we had regularly done, and it's becoming very routine. The technology is getting better. We're all getting used to it. There's still glitches. There are plenty of glitches here at the Fed on these things. So I think we're going to learn that this is, in a lot of ways, it's accelerating pre-existing trends too. There are existing trends that just got sped up a lot in the economy, and the more online shopping and things like that. So that's something we're thinking about. The main thing we're thinking about: what do we got to do to make this recovery get off to a really good start, get a lot of people back to work, support the economy, and we're not thinking about putting down our tools for a long time.
And Mr. Chairman, with that in mind, you advised us to go big, and we have. Our national debt is approaching $27 trillion. Our debt service on an annualized basis over $400 billion a year. Do you have concerns about our ability to manage that, to pay that bill, if you will, moving forward? And any counsel and guidance you might share with we lawmakers as we contemplate some degree of fiscal responsibility moving forward?
First of all, I think Congress did go big, and it has gone big, and I think it's been appropriate, and I think it'll be well judged over time. In terms of the national debt, I think the time will come when it's time to return to the concerns of fiscal sustainability. Sustainable fiscal plan is one that you stay on for many years. It's not something where you flip a switch and then really go into difficult times to get. It's really, ideally, what you do is you get in a situation where the economy is growing faster than the debt, and you stay on that path for a long time. That's how successful countries have done it. We'll need to get to that, and we will. I think we don't need to get to it until we get well and truly through this extraordinarily challenging time.